What's up, guys? Today I'm going to review the Roland VR-1HD. My name is Watson and this is Mic Check. The Roland VR-1HD was designed especially for content creators who want to get into live streaming. It's aimed at YouTubers, people who broadcast on Facebook, gamers who broadcast on Twitch, and anyone who wants to elevate their live streaming game and want to be both the talent and the director. So what is the VR-1HD? Basically, it's a plug-and-play broadcast studio. It's a video switcher, audio mixer, and has an encoder so you can plug directly into a computer and it'll show up as a webcam. First, let's talk about the video switcher component. It has 3 HDMI worry-free ports, which means you can plug in many different sources and the VR-1 will figure out what resolution each source is. You can plug in cameras, computers, smartphones, or even gaming consoles. The third input has a dedicated hardware through, so you can plug in a computer and project a presentation, or if you're a gamer, you can plug in a console and have no latency issues. You can easily switch through your inputs by using the buttons located on the bottom right of the console. Now let's talk about scenes. You can composite and show 2 scenes at the same time for a split screen or a picture-in-picture effect. You can also resize and set the shapes of the insets any way you want. The VR-1 has 2 dedicated mic inputs, one on the top and one on the left side. The input on the top is useful for someone who's both the talent and the director. You can also mix the audio in from the HDMI inputs on the back. The VR-1 gives you a lot of control. You can control the audio by using the dedicated faders located on the top. You can also set the audio levels for a USB stream, for your headphones, and for the main levels. Next, let's talk about a cool feature called the auto switch button. In this setting, the VR-1 switches cameras based on who's talking in their mic. If no one or if both people are talking, the VR-1 can switch to a wide shot. The next setting is beat sync switching. If you start playing music, the VR-1 will switch to different camera inputs based on the tempo of the music. This function is great for DJs or musicians. Another setting of the auto switch button is the auto scan function. The auto scan function can switch between sources randomly or in a predefined order. Now let's talk about audio effects. The VR-1 has a few audio effects included, including voice changing and reverb. It has 4 buttons on top that are user assignable, and these buttons can also be used to trigger different audio samples like sound effects or music. Now let's talk about how to start using the VR-1. Plug in a USB 3 cable from the back of the VR-1 into your computer. It will show up like a standard webcam, and you can use any software that can pick up your webcam to start streaming and engage with the audience. And that's the Roland VR-1HD. Personally, I think this is a great piece of equipment. I love it because it's portable and it's super easy to use. And I think you'll love it too. If you own it or if you use it, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, let me know if there are any other topics that you'd like me to discuss. Make sure you subscribe. I'm Watson. I'll talk to you later.